Thanks for watching Survival Dirt Bikes. It's been a while, so here it is, the Nice CNC engine guard, bash guard, whatever you want to call it, for the XR650L. Now I've had it on here for months, but my bike predominantly has been ridden on streets, so it hasn't seen any real, obviously no damage. And I just sprayed it with some oil and wiped it down for the camera. You can see it's not a very big one, and it's definitely not a very thick one. It's definitely thinner than some other guards. But do I like it? Yeah, I like it.